Hey guys, it's Courtney back with another video. Um, Today is going to be a little bit of a different video. Today I want to talk about TubeBuddy, how you can use it, why you should use it, and a complete tutorial. So let's get started. Okay, so if you haven't heard of TubeBuddy, what TubeBuddy does is help you grow your YouTube channel if you want to get paid by Google and YouTube. Okay, by placing ads in your YouTube videos, and you get paid for every ad that plays. But there are certain criteria that you have to meet to be able to join the ad paying service with Google. Okay. So one of the requirements is you have to have 1,000 followers. So that's what I'm trying to do. I'm at 723. Thank you all for subscribing, liking, commenting, hitting the bell notification. I appreciate you all. We want to try to get this to 1,000 followers, and the way that I've gotten so many subscribers is by using TubeBuddy. There is my secret. This app has really helped me, and I subscribed to it back a couple years ago, and I just unsubscribed because I wasn't taking YouTube seriously. But I'm back now. I'm going to show you what plan that I signed up with, why you should sign up and pay for a yearly plan instead of monthly, and what benefits you get, although it is free if you want to get started. The link to get started, free or paid, is in the bio, and you get a bonus for clicking my link and using it. Okay, so I have a pro license. It shows me right here. I have help report, launchpad, promo materials, canned responses, backups, retention analysts, user statistics, and settings. Okay. Um, Now I did access the best part of TubeBuddy. You launch the extension, and like I said, I love this, and I'm gonna show you why I love it. So it's gonna bring up your channel, okay, and it shows me that I have 723 subscribers, how many views I've gotten, how many watch time hours. But the cool thing about this is you can use suggested shorts. You can also use Keyword Explorer, so you can learn what you need to um, rank your video, like what you need to put in the search box and title your video so people find it. Also, how to write in the description box. The longer you write your description and the more search terms you use in your description, the more it will be searched up. Okay. So we have Keyword Explorer, SEO Studio, Video Topic Planner, Tag List, Best Times to Publish, Click Magnet, Suggested Shorts. Okay. So if we click on Keyword Explorer, okay, so it'll show you what's trending in the United States. And you can go here and you can see everything that's trending. Okay. So if we type in how to cook pasta, it's going to come up and it's going to tell us the weighted versus unweighted. Now, if you don't have an account, it's going to give you certain times to search, and it's not going to give you the unweighted, but we always want to do weighted. So it's poor. So we don't want to use that. But what we can do is we can say how to cook pasta from home. Let's see what that does. And you can use these related searches to look up different things. This one says how to cook pasta at home with tomato sauce. Let's try that one. And you're just going to play with this. The great thing about TubeBuddy is that you can play with this. Okay, so the search volume is good. The search volume is between red or orange and yellow, and you want it to be in green. Completely weighted is in yellow. Optimized strength, which means that it could be found in searches. Okay. But like me, okay, if we switch this, okay, and I put how to make money online. Okay. We're going to click this. And you can see what people are searching because I want it to be more than that. So I can put how to make money online at home in 2023. Search that. See if that's better. Because you want competition, but you don't want it to be um so saturated that your videos won't be found. Okay, so we'll go online in 2023. That's poor. Um, how to make money global Reddit. Let's see. I'll use one of the um Prize Rebel. We'll search that up. I know that's very popular. Because you want to get this score to good. So, Prize Rebel 2023. It's fair. We want to get it tutorial. So, we're trying to get these trends up. Step by step. And you just have to keep playing with this, like to know what you're going to title your video and then how to do your tags, how to do your search terms, how to do everything. Um, we'll try prize level tips and tricks. Okay. So that's good and optimization straight. Competition is green. It has a low search volume. So you want to go with somebody that has something that has a high um search volume. So like you like to do like prize level payment proof. People like to see payment proof. Um we can always do like um prize level review. Like I said, I have a lot of prize level videos on my channel. Um, we'll do we'll do make money online with prize roll. And it's kind of fun to play around with this, guys, Um, before you start your video, so you know what your topic's going to be, what website you're going to use, um, and so then you know where you're going. So you use that, and then you can um use the keyword explorer, the SEO studio. If I want to use a target word, I'll use Prize Rebel to see. It tells you how to do it. So if I put how to make money using Pleasurable in 2023. Okay. So it'll tell you include your target keyword and title. Include your target keyword in the first 60 characters. Include your target keyword naturally. Okay. So we'll do this. Price Rebel. $20.23. So it's really easy to play around with. It's very user friendly. That so the target keyword, you can change your target keyword. So I can put make money online. Will be my keywords. Instead of 62. Include your target keywords naturally in the title. Today in 2023. With PayPal. Included partial matches of your chart. So we'll put copy. That made it go down to 65, but we're gonna fix that. So we're gonna go up here and we're gonna do that. Make it go all the way up. So we're going to type out our description, and you want this box to be completely green and to 100%. Okay. And then there's a thing on here. Let me show you. You can do your tag lists. You can also, when you submit your video and you do it, it'll do you a suggested shorts, the click magnet, expand your audience to drive more meaningful views by turning your videos into click magnets. And I don't have that license, but if you want to get that license, you can. But it does help you with keywords, and it helps you with shorts and your thumbnails. And if you have a high enough license, you can do A/B testing. You can do bulk processing, comment moderation, best practice checks, videolytics. It shows you how your videos are doing. It'll show you the best time to publish. So we'll go into the Creator Studio. And it's going to pull up when is the best time for me to post my videos. So it's saying that it doesn't have enough data. Um, but it looks like um I got 6 new subscribers, and it looks like there's not enough data to show, but once you start posting, it shows me the United States, India, Bangladesh, subtitles, English, Arabic, what the age ranges for the people are. It's pretty cool. Um, so yeah, definitely subscribe to TubeBuddy. Like I said, the license I have, the Pro Level 1, I think, is only $36 for the year. So make sure you click the link in the description. You sign up for that, and you get going and build your YouTube channel today, because you want to get to 1,000 subscribers so you can start making money with ads, and you have to have so many watch hours as well. I think it's like 100,000 or something. So every day that we post a video, we get that much closer to being able to get paid by YouTube. So I hope this video was helpful. I hope that you are going to use TubeBuddy, that you sign up for it with the link in the description. You sign up for it, you play around with it, you sign up for it. It's a great tool. Um, like I said, make sure that you hit the bell notification, you subscribe, because I have a new website coming out tomorrow, a video. And comment below if this video was helpful. I will talk to you guys soon. I hope you have a great evening.